Today I'm going to show you quickly how you can make a gaming server on your Discord. So first of all, once we are on Discord, we need to head over to the top left hand corner and click on this plus icon to add a server. And then once we click on this, you will have a few options here. So create my own from scratch, or you can start by using a template. So in this option here, I will just click on gaming. Once I click on this, I can click then for me and my friends, or for a club or community, which is more relevant to you. So once I click on this, you can then give it a name. So if I just put in something simple like gaming, you can then add a profile picture if you want to do that, and then click on create. Once you click on create, this will start then your whole new server, where you can then start to invite your friends by clicking on this button right here. You can copy this link to send to your friends to invite them, and you can also come to the left hand side bar here, right click, and then you can start to create channels. So you can have a text channel or a voice channel, and then all you simply need to do is name this and make it private or unprivate. So that's how easy it is to start a gaming channel on Discord.